Welcome to this video tutorial for eTrip Agency. In this video, we will look at how to generate and issue an invoice. Begin by navigating to the booking for which you need to generate an invoice. Click on the Invoices tab. Click on the New Invoice button. If you want to generate an invoice in an alternative currency, select the invoice currency from the drop-down. To see the additional steps on how to issue an invoice in an alternative currency, please refer to our video tutorial. Choose an invoice type, either deposit, partial or balance. The system default is a balance invoice. A balance invoice will create an invoice for the outstanding amount on a booking. A partial invoice allows you to select the individual items that you are invoicing for. This will enable you to issue multiple invoices for a booking. A deposit invoice will enable you to create an invoice for part of the booking value. Use the options at the bottom to change the look and feel of the invoice. Show Footer Image will display the pre-populated image loaded in your system. This will typically be your company stamp, a toll license, or consortium logo. Show Booking Number will display the booking reference. Detail Invoice will show a price breakdown for each of the items on your booking. Hide zero figures is used in conjunction with the Detail Invoice option and will remove any zero figures from the invoice, leaving the booking item's description in place. Unticking the Show Descriptions box will remove the description of all the booking items from the invoice and just display a basic text and a total price. Once your required options are selected, you can click OK. Before generating the invoice, you have the option to edit what is displayed on the invoice. Here, you can change the client by searching or adding a new client. You can also edit the existing client by clicking on the Details button. If required, you can edit the description, price, and update the VAT rate for each item. Add additional text if required. The text can be populated from the predefined text, which you can create in order to save time and effort, or simply type the additional information you require. Click on Save to save the invoice. You have now created a proforma invoice. Proforma invoices can be edited, emailed, downloaded, or even deleted. To change the proforma invoice to a full invoice, click on the Issue button. Once an invoice is issued, you can edit, email, download, print, add payment, issue a credit invoice, or cancel. You are unable to completely delete an invoice once it has been issued. To see how to add payments to an invoice, refer to the video on How to add a payment. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to generate and issue an invoice.